Alright, we'll have a look at evaluating expressions. Now, to evaluate means to substitute a number for each pronumeral in the expression and work out the value. Let's have a look at an example. Let's say we give x a value 4, and let's say we got an equation or an expression x plus 5, and how do we find the answer? We need to substitute for x. The value of x given is 4, so instead of x we write down 4, which is the value of x, and then we work that out, comes out to be 9. So we have just evaluated, or we have just substituted for x, and we have found the answer for that. So that's what evaluation means. Alright, let's have a look at another question. In this question, the value of a has been given as 4, the value of b is 8, and the question is 3a minus 1. So what we need to do, substitute the value of a in place of a. So the value of a is 4, and I have to make sure I put a bracket. If I don't put a bracket, that looks like 34. That's a common mistake that you can make. So the bracket tells us that there is a multiplication between the 3 and the 4. And if you're following BODMAS, we do the multiplication first. 3 times 4 is 12, and then we take away 1. 12 minus 1 is 11. Let's have a look at the next question, which is 5a plus 4b. What we need to do is substitute for a. Value of a is 4 plus value of b is 8 5 fours 20. Following BODMAS, multiplication must be done before addition, so you need to multiply 4 and 8, which is 32, and then you can add 32 and 20, which comes out to be 52, and that's your answer. Probably get rid of this. Okay. Alright, let's have a look at this question. 2 into x plus y. The values of x and y is given, so we just simply substitute for x and y. X is 6, y is 2. Following BODMAS, the brackets must be done first, so you add 6 and 2, and we get 8. Now the bracket means multiplication, so you just finally multiply 2 and 8, and we get 16. Let's have a look at this one. Once again, start by substituting the values of x and y. X has got a value 6, y has got a value of 2, let's do the brackets first. Inside the bracket we've got 3 and 6, so 6 3 is 18, 5 2 is 10. We continue with the bracket. Inside the bracket we've got 18 plus 10, which is 28, and then expanding that, multiplying 2 and 28, we get 8 to 16, 56. Let's have a look at this last question. 6a minus 2b, the values of a and b are given. Let's start substituting. A is 4 and the value of b is 8. BODMAS, following BODMAS, multiplication must be done first. 6 4 is 24, 8 2 16. There's a subtraction between them, and just take that away, and the answer comes out to be 8.